Welcome guys. Today, we're checking out the top 5 HEPA air purifiers for cleaner, fresher air and everyday home comfort. Let's see which ones are worth considering. Number 1. Cypcat Pet Air Purifier. The Cypcat Pet Air Purifier is designed to keep pet-friendly homes fresher and cleaner with dual-sided air intake for improved airflow and circulation. Its 6-stage filtration system, including true HEPA and activated carbon, helps capture pet hair, dander, odors, smoke, and airborne particles. The washable pre-filter makes it easier to trap larger fur and maintain performance. With a quiet 22 dB auto mode, it's suitable for bedrooms and living spaces. Covering up to 2,500 square feet, this purifier is a practical choice for households with pets and allergy concerns. Number 2. ZAFRO Air Purifier. The ZAFRO Air Purifier is designed for large spaces up to 3,000 square feet, making it a great option for bedrooms, living rooms, and pet-friendly homes. Its dual air intakes and 360-degree circulation help deliver faster, more efficient air purification. The 4-stage filtration system combines a washable pre-filter, H13 True HEPA filter, and activated carbon to help capture pet hair, dust, pollen, smoke, and odors. Auto, pet, and sleep modes provide convenient operation, while the AQI display lets you monitor air quality. An aroma feature adds a pleasant touch to your indoor environment. Number 3. RPZ Smart Pet Air Purifier. The RPZ Smart Pet Air Purifier is designed for pet-friendly homes, helping improve indoor air quality by capturing pet hair, dander, dust, and everyday odors. Its multi-layer filtration combines a washable pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon layer for convenient, long-lasting performance. The 360 degrees air intake supports efficient airflow throughout bedrooms, living rooms, and litter box areas. Wi-Fi connectivity adds smart control, while auto and sleep modes make operation simple and convenient. A built-in timer provides added flexibility, and the cat scratch fabric makes this purifier a practical, pet-focused addition to your home. Number 4. fancybark ZQA-5000A Air Purifier. The fancybark ZQA-5000A Air Purifier is a compact yet powerful option for bedrooms and spaces up to 1,600 square feet. Its upgraded H14 True HEPA filtration system offers up to 99.998% purification efficiency, helping capture smoke, dust, pollen, pet dander, and unwanted odors. With 3 fan speeds, sleep mode, and light mode, you can easily customize the purifier for different environments. The built-in aroma function adds a pleasant touch, while the filter replacement reminder makes maintenance simple. Lightweight and versatile, it's suitable for bedrooms, offices, kitchens, living rooms, dorms, and other indoor spaces. Number 5. Austin Air Immunity Machine. The Austin Air Immunity Machine, Model B444, is a heavy-duty air purifier designed for thorough indoor air cleaning. Its advanced 8-phase filtration system combines HEPA technology with Haga carbon cloth and zeolite to help capture dust, allergens, fine particles, VOCs, formaldehyde, and other gaseous pollutants. The 360-degree air intake promotes efficient airflow and circulation throughout your living space. Built with durable steel housing, this graphite stone purifier weighs 47 pounds and is designed for long-term use. Its filters can last up to 5 years, reducing the need for frequent replacements and maintenance. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews every week.